We're going to take a look now at a short little chapter that has two videos in it where we explore the interface a little bit further. Now we've got a new drawing for this, you'll probably recognise it. It's ground floor plan underscore rev3.dwg this time. So download that file from the library, open it up in AutoCAD and make sure you're in the model tab. Now in this particular video we're not actually going to do any drafting. We're going to take a look at the file tabs and the extra little tabs that are now available in newer versions of AutoCAD. So this is purely interface. The drawing is kind of inconsequential, but we do need to have a current drawing open to get access to the file tabs. Now, first and foremost, at the top of the screen under the ribbon, you always have a file tab for your current drawing. You can have more than one file tab. You'll notice a plus sign next to it where I can start a new blank drawing as well if I want to. But you'll notice there's the file name there. If I hover over that, you'll see, if you ignore the big long file name, we've got Model tab, ISO A1 Landscape, Layout tab, and Layout 2. So I can come down to one of these and click, and lo and behold, it takes me to the Layout tab. I can jump back to the Model tab here if I want to, like so. So if I hover over that again, though, and come over to ISO A1 Landscape, notice I've also got Plot, and I've also got Publish, which is batch plotting, which is more than one sheet to be plotted. So you'll notice there, and there's Layout 2, and as I hover over each one, it gives me a preview of each one as well. So that's the regular File tab. Now, in later versions of AutoCAD, we've also got these little ones here. If I click on this little one at the top, the little three lines, you'll notice that I've got that available as well. So I can now go to my Start tab or my File tab there as well. And notice when I hover over it, I get the same interface again. I can also create a new drawing. I can click on New File, open a file, save all the drawings I've got open, close all of the drawings I've got open. Incredibly useful little interface. We've got the same down at the bottom left as well, near the Model and Layout tabs. If I click on this one, you'll notice now I can create a new layout, I can create a new drawing from a template, I can set up my page setups, I can select all the layouts that might be in my drawings. I can publish those selected layouts once I've selected them as well. I can dock it above the status bar, so if I click there, can you see it's now above the status bar? If I click on it again and dock it in line with the status bar, it's in line with the status bar. Very useful if you've got lots of layout tabs down here, like so. So I'll click one more time on this menu here, and you'll notice we've got Model, and there's the two layout tabs as well. I can go to those very quickly and easily just by clicking on there, go back to Model, like so. So that's all your file tabs in your AutoCAD interface. Now, obviously, you're going to use them differently to, say, myself. You're going to get used to them, and you're going to use them in your way, the way that you're familiar with the AutoCAD interface. There is no set way to use the file tabs and the menus. Go ahead and explore which methodology, which workflow works for you.